Have you ever tried giving your plants just 1 spoon of a simple homemade plant booster? The results can be surprising. Weak plants may start looking healthier, leaves can become greener, and new growth may begin to appear. Start with 500 milliliters of water and add 1 spoon of used coffee grounds. Coffee adds organic matter and supports healthy leafy growth. Next, mix in 1 spoon of garlic powder. Garlic helps support soil balance and creates a healthier environment around the roots. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar, the hidden helper in this recipe. Sugar feeds beneficial microorganisms that help break down nutrients in the soil. Stir everything well, close the container, and leave it in a warm place for 2 to 3 days to naturally ferment. Once ready, mix 1 part solution with 5 parts water. Apply it directly to the soil around your plants to support root health and improve nutrient availability. For extra support, pour some diluted liquid into a spray bottle and lightly mist the leaves. Use this homemade booster once every 2 weeks. With time, you may notice stronger stems, healthier leaves, and more active growth. Sometimes plants don't need more fertilizer, they just need better support. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.